Good morning. I'm at Phoenix Airport. Such a disaster. So, what I'm finding out in the gate area, I can't find no booze. I can't find any booze. I'm gonna walk over to the gate and see what's going on. I got like 2 hours before my flight. I think I found booze. Double vodka and 7-Up. We're in Denver Airport right now. Oh my God, this place is confusing. Hey yo, I'm in downtown Denver right now. I'm just walking around. I might see Ed perform tonight at the Roxy, but I need to go to somewhere I could rest for an hour or something. It's like 92 degrees at least out here. Might be 98 real feel, I don't know. It's really hot. I gotta relax. I'm sitting on a bench over here in front of these stores. I do have to say that U-Ship kind of worries me, because one thing I saw that U-Ship didn't do, they didn't update their site for the booker hiring the client right away and then taking my stuff. Also, the map didn't update for where my stuff is. And about the shipper didn't even have a dually. And my van is 9,500 pounds and he had a U-neck trailer. So hopefully he doesn't die on the road. I just noticed across the street, right there, that person is keeping bees up there, right above the Blue Bonnet Cafe here, or Blue Bonnet Bar. I could see the bees flying around up there. Interesting. I have so many things to update you guys about, but here is one good thing. Van is delivered. So after last night, it was a hard time because last night I went to the burlesque show that I showed you guys I was going to, which was the Roxy on South Broadway in Denver. And after all that, I ended up staying there till around 11:30. They closed the bar down, which my flight wasn't until 7:30 in the morning. But after that, I tried to take a bus. Buses were all shut down. So I had to take a lift to the airport railway, the light rail, I guess it is. And around midnight, getting to the airport, security was saying, "Why are you here so early? Your flight's not until 7:30. I'm like, "I'm on a 15-hour layover. I'm gonna go to my gate and pass out." When I went through security, the funniest thing was, over there they made me take my laptop out of my bag. But then when I was putting it back to rearrange it, I found out the other day someone handed me a utility knife when he was on the way to the airport, when I was leaving the airport. And I forgot in my bag, and I went through security with it, and they did not find it. So then I returned it to security, and I said, "Listen, I forgot this was in my bag. I just want to show you that I'm being honest, blah, blah, blah." Someone caught me, or didn't catch me. I think one of the TSA agents got in trouble. So then when I got to the actual gate of the plane, I saw some people sleeping on the floor. I went next to an outlet, plugged in my phone, slept next to the chairs. At least got a good 6 hours, I think, of sleep. Then I got up, took the flight. Bag got through fine as a personal item, thank God, because I didn't want to pay for checked items. Then I actually took the flight, gone to New Orleans, took the E1 bus, which is Jefferson Parish's bus, and drops me off 2 blocks than where I'm gonna crash. And then I just got the van delivered. I got woken up from a nap saying the van will be there in an hour. So basically that's where I am right now. I'm in New Orleans and I'm gonna take a nice rest. And tonight I have a hacker drink up meeting that I have to attend. And then after that, tomorrow I'll probably hang out with my best friend Ricky and then have some drinks and then worry about the van another day after I work, because I need to make money for my transmission. All in all, I'm happy that the van got delivered. I'm so happy that it's here. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to the store, buy some items that I need for tonight, rest up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And you could always comment. I love reading my comments and I usually respond to the comments, so do so. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you guys are having fun. Remember, all the stuff that's in my van is below this video here. And you could also join my Patreon, which gives up-to-date things about where I am or what I'm doing.